Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to start your very own online store, Shopify is one of the best platforms to use. In this step-by-step guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about creating your online store with Shopify. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify. First things first, head over to shopify.com. Click on the Start Free Trial button. You'll need to provide an email address, password, and your store name. Keep in mind that your store name should be unique, as this will be your online identity. Step 2. Set up your store. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. Here you can start customizing your store. Go to Settings and fill out important information like your store address, currency, and payment settings. Make sure you also set your shipping options and tax settings accordingly. Step 3. Choose a theme. A visually appealing store is crucial for drawing in customers. Navigate to Online Store and then select Themes. Browse the Shopify theme store to find a theme that matches your brand. You can choose from free themes or purchase premium ones. Once you find a theme you like, click Add to install it. Step 4. Customize your theme. With your theme installed, it's time to customize it. Click on Customize to access the theme editor. Here you can modify various elements such as your logo, color scheme, fonts, and layout. Don't forget to add key pages like the Home, About, Contact, and FAQ pages to enhance user experience. Step 5. Add products. Now comes the exciting part. Adding products. Go to Products in the dashboard and click on Add Product. Fill in details such as product title, description, price, and images. Make sure to optimize your product descriptions with relevant keywords for SEO purposes. You can also organize your products into collections for easier navigation. Step 6. Set up payment methods. Ready to start accepting payments? Go to Settings, then Payments. Shopify offers several payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, and Stripe. Choose the ones that suit your business needs and enable them by following the on-screen prompts. Step 7. Configure shipping settings. To ensure smooth shipping operations, head to Settings and then Shipping. Here, you can set shipping rates and choose your carriers. It's essential to consider factors like weight, destination, and delivery times. Setting up free shipping options can also attract more customers. Step 8. Launch your store. You've done the hard work, and now it's time to launch your store. Before going live, preview everything to ensure all links and features are working correctly. Once you're satisfied, remove the password protection from your store under the Online Store settings. Step 9. Market your store. With your store live, it's time to get the word out. Use social media platforms, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO techniques to attract traffic. Consider running ads on Facebook or Google to reach a broader audience and boost sales. Step 10. Monitor and optimize. After launching, keep an eye on your store's performance. Use Shopify Analytics to track your sales, traffic, and customer behavior. This data can help you refine your marketing strategies and make informed decisions for future growth. Thank you for following along with our guide on how to create an online store with Shopify. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy selling!